how to turn off edits to your posts, notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off edits to your posts, notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and select your page, and then just click this settings and click notifications, and then click on Facebook, and here we'll find that edits to your posts. Only to do just one click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.